hemm setturi fejn ir-rata tvarji. Bħala medja ġieli konna f'sitwazzjoni fejn nofs l-impjiegi imorru għand nies ġejjin minn pajjiżi oħra. Għadha hekk is-sitwazzjoni?
Li kien hemm fil-fatt kien hemm żieda żgħira fl-ammont ta' ħaddiema barranin imma iva tibqa' l-figura hemmhekk li żieda li ilha ġejja matul is-snin tkompli timmarka ruħha fil-nofs jobs li jkunu għadin jinħolqu jittieħdu mill-barranin.
Bħala high-end jobs we're talking. What's the rate over there?
Again, it varies from sector to sector.
On average?
There would be sectors where the majority would go to people from overseas because the relevant skills and talents are not available locally. So that is at the high end. Well, I'm sure that in some sectors it would be
It depends.
higher.
It depends
Some
what
sectors it would be less.
you understand from average. I mean, average 50% is if you take the aggregate. Now, of course, if you had to focus on specific industries, such as iGaming, then it won't be 50%, but it would be much higher. If it is the tourism industry, for example, it would be much higher than 50%. If it is iGaming, it's much higher than 50%.